Actress Mukami wa Ithaga Riene ũrĩa ũĩkaine na njĩra ĩngĩ ta Nice Wanjeri is her real name, onake nĩarĩkĩtie kũrekereria ndũmĩrĩri ĩgiĩ gĩbindi gĩkĩ mathakaga kĩa Ithaga Riene. And this comes shortly after Nyambu has confirmed that she has exited the show. She took to her Facebook page to share the news with all her fans. Akiuga, it has been a beautiful journey of 5 good years, Inoro being the best TV station, lakini if only they knew vile tumekrashiwa huku chini by the ones they entrusted with our salaries. I love Inoro, and given another chance, I'll do another show. Long live at Royal Media. And then she shared these photos here during the filming of the show Ithaga Riene. And from the message that she shared, you can tell she has confirmed that she has exited the show. Now in the comment section, we don't know atiga andu mamakite muno, although it was expected to nikorakoretwo na muhuhu ati she has left. Mukami auma among andu aria makomenteire post ino ya Nyambu wa Ithaga Riene, akiuga it's unfortunate that toxic producers and directors can harass you too much to more of what God ametuwekea huku mbele. Well, you can tell too from what she's saying. She says she looks forward to what God has planned for them in the future. Kuonania onake, it's like she has called it quits. Neta arĩkĩtie kuma gĩbindi-inĩ gĩkĩ gĩa Ithaga Riene, because she says to more of what God ametuwekea huku mbele in response to Nyambu wa Ithaga Riene leaving the show too. Na mafans nĩmatigo makĩũria, now what next with the show Ithaga Riene? Mary Maina akiuria, woi, the only kipindi I watch on Inoro TV. Nake Agnes Gitau Wairimu akoria, meaning Ithaga imeisha hivyo. Nake Samuel Njoroge akoria, we will miss you Ithaga Riene, Kwisha, Nyambu na Mukami. You the best actors, will never watch that thing again. Nake Jantes Muthoni, what, even you unaacha? Na Florence Peter akoria, it was Gedesha, now it's you. May God show you the way. Helen Muthoni akauga, at times when one door closes, another big opens. Remember Njogosh with House Elves of Kawangware. God will never leave you. I know this is just a blessing in disguise. You're on your way to more and more blessings. Now all that is left to do is to wait and see if the show will continue Etena Mukami na Nyambu na Gidesha, or what will happen. Let's wait and see this Friday. And make sure you never miss an update. Subscribe now for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news.